This little plant took so long just to get, just because they didn't have the barcode in. Okay, I'm gonna put you down there. Oh no, he's falling. He's falling. Hopefully he'll be okay. All right, what is up, guys? In the Mustang. Had to run to the store real quick on my lunch. Had to grab some dog food and a couple other things. I'm really trying to push myself to like get out of the house more, leave and do more stuff. Driving the Mustang today, which is very rare for me. I usually always just take my Jeep, but I wanted to take the Mustang, get it out of the house. I don't know, have a little fun. This thing is like, the more and more I drive it, the more and more I'm like, oh, this is like a lot of fun. I think this car is like really cool. Yeah, and as you guys may know, I'm still looking for a project car for the channel. I'm trying to find something that's not exactly like this, something's gonna be different. I do think though, for sure, whatever I do find, I would like it to be a manual. I do miss driving manual, but anyways, so I don't know. So we're on our way back to the house. Let's go back to the house, finish up work. Got a couple more things I gotta do for the rest of the day. This weekend though, I'm trying to really like, I don't know, get some stuff done. Let's get back to the house. Let's go. So what is up, guys? So this whole video, which has been kind of just me kind of having an excuse to get out of the house and do more stuff. Like I said before in like my last video or one of my other videos, I realized I've been lacking, like I haven't been getting out of the house doing more stuff. I've kind of like, my content just been really stale. So this is my excuse for me to get out of the house, get some content done, do some actual car stuff with them, you know, with me actually using the vehicle and just getting out of the house. Yeah, right now I'm actually about to go to Universal to do a video there for the theme park channel, but I want to try to do as much stuff as I possibly can do with the cars and everything like that. So long story short, I'm still on the hunt. Project car, that's 100% going to happen. Just got to find the right one, and I'm leaning towards something, but I have to see how's it going to work out and like what I want to do with it. So still trying to figure that out, but rest assured, content's coming. More content's coming for this Jeep for sure. I definitely have stuff I'm planning on doing for sure. Some modifications to the Jeep coming up. But thank you guys for watching this video. I know this video was kind of small, not that entertaining, but thank you to all my OG subscribers who are watching it. Thank you so much. All right, see you in the next video. Let's go.